Hi, good evening. Today I have got a presentation topic of checking and controlling of program and deviation as per STP. I am Anup Minch from Ranchi Crescent Formulation Private Limited. So I have made this presentation in five different parts. The first part is introduction. Second is how to make MTP monthly tour program, monitoring and controlling, minimizing the TP deviation, and then we will come to the conclusion. So let's start with the presentation without delaying. First of all, the introduction part, I have just written some of the points here in introduction part. As introduction of tour program is in pharma sales, definitely we used to go for monthly tour program and standard tour program, MTP and STP. Now, there's a requirement of this tour program, in fact. Think in earlier days, while where there were no plans, tour program, people used to come maybe usually and they might be having just 50, 60 doctors in their list and they would be covering and just randomly going and randomly covering the doctors. At the end of the month, if they analyze, they will feel some of the doctors have been covered, some of the doctors had not been covered, and they are not able to meet the proper doctor, proper customers to, they might not be have a proper coverage. So in sales profession, it's a roadmap to build coverage and compliance, the point, and definitely it reciprocates in business terms also. The in this MTP, why it is made? It is made to for a proper frequency to be maintained, so that less number of missed calls must be there. Every doctor can be covered in a particular manner, and definitely in a particular focused way. Every doctor should be covered. Now it has designed to manage the sales force, in fact. Now the upline managers, the hierarchy, they can also view that where my person is working, in which patch or which area he is working, and what are the areas he has been covering, so that the company presentation part, the company representation part may also be covered. Maybe some good opportunities may be there in some of the line of hierarchy. Managers may be having a good relation with that particular doctor. They used to say, अरे तुम वहां चल जाओ, उसमें मेरा नाम लेना, तेरा काम हो जाएगा. तो we might, if we do not go, we will definitely lose the opportunity, or my colleague or my people also. It is same with everybody. Now the second point, second slide, if I come, it is like how to make MTP. Now, before making the monthly tour program, the person should know about all the territory, patch, pocket, cluster, area must be known. It must be known to that areas. Now, all the customer visit day pattern should be known also. At what time the call is been taken, the doctor at which time does he take the call, which day does he take the call. So before making tour program, it must be known. Now, if a doctor in some territories, the doctors are there like they take once in a month visit. Now, prior appointment of doctors who take once in a visit of month appointments, it must be taken priorly. In that way only, accordingly, we have to make the tour program. Suppose on 26th of May, I have taken an appointment, and on the same day I have made the tour program to be on other area, maybe Jamshedpur, maybe some other area. Then the day that I will lose that appointment, I lose maybe he might be an important doctor also. Now the before making the MTP, we have to think that we are making to maintain the proper frequency and the visit gap during making the MTP also. Suppose some X station is there and every 3 days or maybe every week we are going. So there is no use of going every week to that area. It's not good for the company also, and the customer also might think that yeah, every time he is coming and he is just bothering me. So in that way, the proper frequency is also must be maintained while making the MTP. So while making the MTP, taking care of holidays, company meetings, visit days of the ex and out station, particular in many of the areas are there in every day there must not be the call must be there. So we should be known about those things, and our colleagues also must not be known of everything, and they can make that area before making the monthly tour program. In that way, as a manager, I can also have a complete monitoring and controlling over the monthly tour program. The second slide comes that MTP must be submitted as per the company norms and must be checked and approved by the reporting manager first of all. So if any discrepancies, the manager can say the guy that this is not approved. You make another plan and then submit first there. Now the controlling and monitoring part, the checking part comes here from the day plan first. The day plan submission is very important nowadays. Nowadays the WhatsApp and all, everything is available. Earlier it was not available, but people used to give the information over the phone to their managers. So now the WhatsApp groups are available. Every territory, every manager are having their own personal local groups. So before the day plan should come before 9 o'clock to WhatsApp group, so that the manager would be known, the hierarchy must be also known, that in which area, in which territory the person is going to work, first of all. And it could be monitored and controlled, the coverage also, the coverage part also. And it must not be there that people, maybe sometime it might happen, it happens also, as by my experience. Many of the people, they might be going, if they have to go some extensions, they will leave the headquarter and they will tell after, "Arey sir, main to nikal gaya." So it must not be there. It must be informed prior, one day before or early in the morning, and they should pick up the phone. It is a normal etiquette to be adhere, that people should pick up the phone or they should reply. If they are not able to pick up the phone, they should reply it, that yeah, I am in particular area, I am going to this area. Now meeting doctors according to their visit days. Now this is also a monitoring part. Suppose a doctor takes call on Friday only, and if I am going and asking the doctor or the compounder to make a call, nahi aaj mera manager aaya hai, so if some senior people come, this is not an issue. But if I am going and asking, nahi today I have to meet, now that is also a bad impact to the doctor also, and for the company part also. So it also comes in a monitoring, in a TP part only. Like we make our TP plan, doctors also make their own TP tour program. They fix the date in particular month, they have to come and meet me. So they are fixing their tour program. So according to that tour program, I have to go and meet. So I have to adhere with the system also. Now, DCR must be reported every day. Many companies are not having everyday reporting system. We are fortunate enough that we are having a GPS system in Crescent formulation, but many of the companies are not having. They used to submit the reports in 2-3 days once in a time, and they are not able to follow all these systems and all. But we are very fortunate. We have to submit the reports every day. If TP followed properly, the coverage and compliance meets the company norms, which helps in earning incentives also. Many of the companies are there, like you are achieving the targets, you are doing all your figures and all everything, but when you're not, your coverage is not there, your compliance is not there, your incentive will be not there. So, and the company will not invest in your territory, you will be losing your business, you will be losing your face value to the customers also. So it is very necessary to adhere with the tour program and to complete all the things for the coverage and compliance part also. Now, TP is like, you make a plan of twice in a month and you are going 4 times a month. Then that is also a TP deviation only. If you make the plan of twice visit and you are going only 1 visit, that is also a TP deviation. So the TP deviation must not be there, and then the company or customers may have a wrong impact also. It is not good for the company also, it is not good for the person also. Now the third slide I am coming, minimizing the TP deviation. TP must not be deviated in any of the cases. First of all, if deviated, 1 day before or prior information and approval needed with the specific reasons, with mail, prior mail, it should be given in written form. If pool territory, both persons must not be going to X station or out stations at the same time. So any of the work can be there. Some doctor can ask, "Arey, mere ko maal chahiye." Some stockist can say, "I have some different issues." So they have to, at least the manager has to monitor and follow all these things, that if the pull thread is there, there must not be, must not go in same day. Now, very important part, if some mishappening happens, like I have made a tour program of Ramgarh and I am going to some different place of Bundu. Now something happens, Bhagwan na kare, if something happens to some different fellow in that area, now the company will say that your tour program was in Ramgarh and you are going to Bundu. So now something mishappening happens, it is all goes vain and all gets ruined to every other thing. So it, as a regular part, as an administrative part, as a thing, that we should not deviate the tour program also. Now, if deviating, even if a person is leaving his headquarter, he should inform to his reporting manager Because of this, I just showed an example of mishappening and all. So TP deficient affects the visit frequency, the pattern, the coverage, the important works also. We have to take care of the thing. Negative impact and company representation also goes in a negative way. Now it shows the, if you are following the TP, it is showing that you are disciplined, a professional adherence is there, and the proper planning is there. So this person is a planned person. So in that way, it should be there. Now, if I come to a conclusion part, smooth, this shows a proper adherence to the TP, shows a smooth implementation of the company strategy. It helps in proper coverage and compliance, helps in approval of activity and earning incentives also. As I told, that compliance and coverage is very important. It helps in customer recognition also. Like people used to go, when I was a medical representative, I recognize one of the doctors as meeting on Tuesday only, and he used to say that every almost 6 7 months I met him on Tuesday only. And one day what happened, maybe some company meeting was there or something might been happened, I went on Thursday. Now the doctor said, today is not Tuesday, today is Thursday, you are coming to meet me. Then I realized that the doctor also knows, he also expects the person that he will come on the same day. So that importance give, and that gives a recognition also to a person in front of the doctor also and from the customer also, which helps to get order, POBs, making relations to the doctor, and definitely in stock liquidation in sales also. And ultimately, it will help increase the sales revenue. So I think I have covered almost all of the points. If some points not covered, I will definitely upgrade myself in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.